you're here, welcome to my channel. Today I have a Natalie Attired box to share with you. Inside this box are 5 styles that were selected especially for me by my personal stylist at Natalie Attired. I can't wait to see what is inside this box. If you are new to my channel, hello and welcome. I'm really glad that you are here. I hope you'll subscribe. Join me for another video. To my returning subscribers, hi everyone. It's really nice to see you. I am sitting in front of a window. That's why we've got all these light beams on me. And I'm sorry, I wasn't planning to film this video, but I can't help myself. So short story, before I get into this box, I have put my style subscription boxes on hold briefly so that I can tackle my personal closet. I am doing a closet clean out. I am getting serious in 2020 about getting rid of all of the unused pieces of clothing in my closet. I think that's going to be really helpful even for my style boxes because my stylists do a really great job, but they often send me pieces that are very similar to what I own. And once I have a better handle on what is inside my closet, what I enjoy wearing, I will be able to work closer with my stylist to curate that wardrobe, that dream wardrobe that I hope to get. That is probably elusive. I don't think I will ever get it because styles are always changing and I enjoy buying and wearing new fashions. How about you? I mean, I'm guessing that you do, and that's why you're watching my channel. So I did put my Natalie Attired subscription on hold, and I think I did it too late. They sent this box. I emailed them. They said, Kelly, go ahead and send all of the clothing back. We won't charge you a styling fee. And I'm on my way to the post office this morning, and I was going to put all the fashions in this box in the bag, which is a prepaid mailer, and send it back to Natalie Attired sight unseen. You guys know I can't do that. I have to look at this clothing. I probably need to try everything on as well. Natalie Attired is one of my favorite style subscription boxes, and the reason is they offer very personalized styling. I like eclectic pieces, I like bright and colorful pieces, and Natalie Attired has filled my closet with some very unusual and unique pieces. Yeah, this is one of my favorites. If you're interested in trying Natalie Attired for yourself, I have left everything you need to know in the description box below, as well as my referral link if you want to use it, be my guest. I will get a little bit of credit if you use my link, and thank you to everyone that has used my link. I do have some credit on this box, so it needs to be marvelous, right? Hold me to this. It needs to be marvelous if I am going to keep it. Let's open it up. This is what the inside of every single Natalie Attired box looks like. They are always packaged so beautifully. And on the top is a personal note from my stylist. Oh, my stylist is Renee this time. Normally, Annie is my stylist. She must be on vacation. And actually, she says, hi, Kelly. I am filling in for Annie while she is on vacation. I chose tops that I thought you'd like after I watched your videos. Enjoy, from Renee. Thanks for watching, Renee. Natalie Attired, they're awesome, and I really appreciate my stylists that do watch my videos because they probably have a better idea of what I look like, number one, and also the clothing that I enjoy. Okay, here's an invoice. I'm not going to look at the invoice. All the prices are on that invoice, and there's also a really fabulous discount program with Natalie Attired. Depending on how many pieces I keep, if I keep this whole box, I get 30% off. That's a really nice discount, but I also get a discount if I keep 3 or 4 pieces. Score. Let's see what we've got. We have a return mailer. This is what I am supposed to be packing right now. Let's see what I should be packing it with. Oh, this is a beautiful print. Okay, this is number 1 on the top. This is, oh, look at this brand. Whoa. Let me put this down. Look at this brand. This is Miss Kelly 1999. Oh my goodness. This is so cool. Okay, so look at that sleeve. See what I mean? I love sleeve detail. This is fabulous. Okay, this does have a lace, a V-neck with a kind of a lace up in the front there. And this feels like a really silky polyester top with a rounded hemline. This is beautiful. And I love that brand name. Okay, next up, look at this. Okay, sorry, those light beam. Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. This is by Miracle City. And this is like a chunky weave sweater in a rainbow. Oh my gosh, this is so nice. So there's pinks and oranges, a little blue and yellow, just a chunky knit sweater. Oh, I like this. I love it. Okay, what's next? This is a top, and this is by Renee C., I think. This says Renee C. on the tag. I don't see the label on this, but this is what this one looks like. Okay, so this is a split neck. I call these smock tops, but this is just a pop over in a blue and cream. It's a fun print, a little boho looking. I'll try it on, see if I like it more once I try it on. Next up, oh my gosh, this is incredibly soft. What is this? This is a teal colored V-neck by Natural Life. This is a brand I really, really like. Natalie Attired introduced me to this brand, Natural Life. It's incredibly soft. So this is perfect for the season we are in right now. I do appreciate the solid color V-neck, really easy to wear with a cardigan. So that's nice. And then the final piece, I am so happy they sent me a box full of tops because I really have far too much denim. Oh, look at this. Okay, this one is by P and Rose baseball top. And this is that super soft knit. Look at that. Oh, another balloon sleeve and kind of an animal print with a little bit of pink in it. And that's a heathered gray baseball top in a kind of fuzzy, cozy knit. Let me try everything on. This looks so good. I'm back and I have tried everything on, and I am so pleased that I didn't just put everything into the envelope and return it, because there's a couple pieces I cannot live without. The prices are great. This could be a 5 for 5. I will need your feedback on this one. But before I show you the clothing and share the prices with you, I want to share a really quick subscription that I get. This is my Fairtrade Friday Earring of the Month Club. All the information about this very, very affordable Earring of the Month Club is in the description below. If you love handcrafted, high quality earrings at a super price, less than $15. I want to say less than $13, but the price escapes me. It's in the description box. Check it out. This is Fairtrade Friday. It usually comes at the beginning of the month, and this is a subscription box that empowers women. And okay, this is what the earrings look like. Let's see, we've got some bubble wrap. And these are from the Starfish Project. And these have a retail value, can you see that, of $30. So these are just some silver hoop earrings. So the sticker on the back says, "Wear hope, give hope. Starfish Project restores hope to trafficked women and girls. Every piece of Starfish Project jewelry you wear allows us to bring hope to women trapped in exploitation and offers them a hope for a new life." And the retail value on these is $30. I need to put these on so we can check them out. Okay, they're tough to get into. Let me put them on and I'll show you. Okay, so here are the earrings, and these are just a silver kind of elongated hoop earring, and they have that clasp that it just goes like that. Very, very easy to get into. Yeah. Now I am fully dressed, styled, and ready to hit the post office. But first, let me show you the pieces that Renee sent me from Natalie Attired. I couldn't wait to try on this top because it's called Miss Kelly. So that's a brand name that I really, really like, but I'm not that crazy about this top. Once I put it on, I don't care for the neckline. It's cut up. Let me move this tag. It's cut up very, very high. Even the V, the tip of the V hits very high. I don't care for the laces, and I could remove the laces, and I might consider doing that if the top fit better, but it's really very tight in the upper arms, the back, the chest area. I love the sleeves. I think the print is very pretty. I like these blues and kind of caramel colors in this blouse. This is a cotton polyester mix. The blend of fabric feels very luxurious. Now this top is a size small. And yeah, I definitely need a size medium. I'm actually thinking about adjusting my sizes to get size large because I've put on a few pounds and things are fitting a little bit tighter, but this top feels too small for me. This top is only $39. Now, I could easily exchange this for a top that fits. Exchanges are super easy with Natalie Attired, and I might do that because the prices on this box, it almost makes sense to keep everything. Hear me out. Let me show you the next piece. The next piece is the Renee C split neck pop over top with this funky print that I think is very pretty. I think blues are a very good color for me. Blues don't excite me a whole lot, but I think they do look good on me. So I do like the print and the color on this, but what I didn't notice when I unboxed this is it does have a little sleeve detail, a split cuff right there. I love that. And this is a high-low. It's shorter in the front than the back. I felt like it was a little bit short in the front. I wish it was a little bit bigger. It was too small, too tight, the same spots in the upper arms and in the back area. This one is a size medium. So this is one, if I had a correct fit on this, I probably would be happy with it because again, like I said, it's a easy top to wear. It's not rocking my world, but I mean, I might be able to keep it for that 30% discount, and here's why. The rest of it is pretty good. The PN Rose animal print baseball top. Now, I said this was a heather gray. It does have a gray undertone to it, but it also has pink in it, and the arms are pink. This is incredibly soft. Like this, yeah, it makes me just want to cuddle up with a good book. You know what I mean? This feels very, very comfortable. I don't think it's the best look on me though. What do you think? It does have a bit of a swing style to it, and I just didn't achieve a front tuck that I was very happy with. This is a great piece to kick around the house or run errands or just stay warm in. It's only $39. I like the feel of this. Maybe it's the colors that aren't the best colors for me because the other colors worked really well for me. What did you think about this piece? I like the way it feels. I don't think it's the best looking piece. Now we're moving up in price. Prior to this, everything was $39, and this Natural Life super duper soft sweater style tunic, V-neck, long sleeve, incredibly comfortable top. This is $44, only $44. I love the way that this one feels as well. I like this brand, and I've been very happy with the way that this brand washes and wears. I haven't had a bunch of shrinking with this brand, so it does wear well and it stands the test of time. I like this color. I like this color a lot, and this is a perfect weight. It is not super thin, but yet it is lightweight enough to put a cardigan or a jacket over it, and I like that longer length right now. So for $44, I am definitely keeping this Natural Life sweater. Do you guys like this one? I really like it. In my mind, I saved the best for last, the rainbow sweater by Miracle City. This sweater is $44. I think it was a really great fit. It is a classic sweater. The style, the cut, but it's a nice heavyweight chunky knit sweater in this fabulous rainbow print, and it's the majority of it is orange and pink, and I like that. And I actually was wearing the right tank top, so it was probably meant to be. Did you guys like this one? I tried a rainbow cardigan just a few months ago that I really, really liked. That cardigan was expensive and it did not have any pockets, and I was sad to send it back, but I did send it back. And this is a super affordable sweater that has that same vibe to it. I'm keeping this one. I didn't want to take this one off to try on the other clothes for you, so I'm keeping this one. I want to go over the prices with you so you can get an idea of what's going on in my head. I am definitely keeping these two sweaters. They're both $44. That's $88 for these two sweaters. I'm thinking about keeping this sweater. It's $39. The comfort factor is well worth the $39, I think. Now, if I keep every single thing in this box, the grand total of all 5 pieces comes to $205. So if I got that 30% discount for keeping everything and minus my styling fee of $20, the grand total is only $129.50. That's an amazing price for 5 pieces of clothing. Now, if I did that, I would definitely have to exchange these 2 pieces, which I like. I'm not crazy about either, but I like both of them. I would have to exchange them both for a larger size. Now, if I keep this piece, the baseball tee, and the 2 sweaters, the grand total is $127, but I would get a 20% discount, which brings the 3 pieces I would be keeping to $103, which makes this top, the baseball tee, only $15. And $15 for a kick-around piece, I mean, that makes sense. Am I right? Are you following me? Please let me know what you think about my math. So the question is, should I exchange these 2 for a larger size, come out of pocket another $26, and I'd have a Miss Kelly top? That would be a nice thing to add to my wardrobe, don't you think? Ooh, it's getting warm. Thank you so very much for joining me for another unboxing. This has been a lot of fun, and I cannot wait to hear your feedback. Please leave your thoughts in the comments below. Subscribe if you haven't done so already. I would love to visit you again in a future video. Until next time, blessings to all of you.